morning, my dear students. In the next class, today's class, we are going to see the second unit supplementary, Life of Pi. Life of Pi means Pi. Pi is a name of a young boy. Okay, and his life. We are going to see about his life. So, what is the importance in his life? Why it is given? We are going to see. And this was written by Jan Martel. You see, Jan Martel. He was born in Spain and for French Canadian parents. Okay, he was born in Spain and also his parents was French Canadian parents. He speaks both French and as well as English. Both the language he speaks because his father and mother are French and Canadian. He studied philosophy at Trent University. His education was at philosophy, and after that when he started publishing the books, the first 3 books received very late recognition and very late popular by the attention. I get very less attention by the readers. Okay, at first, but once he published the Life of Pi in 2001, it has become internationally famous. Okay, it is a very famous and very popular novel of this person. Okay, Jan Martel, and this book also he also awarded with Man Booker Prize in the year 2012. This is about the author what we have seen. And you see, before going into the novel, let me tell you something. That is, we have seen that Life of Pi. Okay, Life of Pi in the sense. See, I just give you the introduction. That is, this Pi and his family and many members they were going in a ship. Okay, they are migrating from India. Okay, so they are going on the way. The ship met with an accident. Okay, very shipwreck. Okay, shipwreck. Water entered into the ship and everyone lost their life there. Pi alone was saved in the lifeboat. Lifeboat in the sense, lifeboat is within the ship. Okay, see, if the ship met with an accident, the lifeboat will help people to save their lives from the shipwreck. Okay, they will use the lifeboat and they will go to the seashore, isn't it? That is the thing. So lifeboat. So in this lifeboat, okay, his parents they throw this Pi in the lifeboat. You see, I have given you the diagram and I just explain you. Okay, I just give you the introduction what is about. Okay, so it is a very big novel and it also have been taken as a movie. Okay, Life of Pi. Many of you have seen the movie. If you don't see the movie, just go through the YouTube and just search it. If don't, I will send you the link over it. Okay, so this Life of Pi, it is such a big movie and big novel or two, and this has been for you just how his life was in that lifeboat. Okay, that alone is prescribed for you. Okay, that means how he came into the lifeboat, that is not prescribed, but what are the things, okay, how he spent his life in the lifeboat and what happened to him, who all with him in the lifeboat. That alone we are going to see in this for your prescribed text. Okay, see, in this lifeboat Pi was there. Okay, see, Pi was in the upper stage. Okay, see, Pi unable to move due to thirst 3 days. Okay, because of thirst, you know, this boy cannot move from the place. He can't even stand up. Okay, so he can't move from the place for 3 days. He is unconscious. Okay, 3 days he was still. Okay, and after the 3 days only, he just that means he searched for the water and have taken, and also he rest of the days he lived in the lifeboat. Okay, you see, this is about Pi, and here supplies of drinking water etc. in this place. Okay, so under it, okay, Pi was over the Okay, this boy did not come to know at first. And after 3 days only, he come to know about this that place, emergency place, and he finds out the drinking water. So this is a place where the emergency things have been kept. And not only Pi, two more persons, okay, two more living beings were in the boat. That is Richard Parker. Richard Parker means it is not the person, it is actually a Bengal tiger. Okay, it is a Bengal tiger. So this Bengal tiger is, see, Pi is here, this Bengal tiger is here. Okay, and one more, Hyena. Hyena you all know. Okay, Kaludai we will say, isn't it? Hyena is there, it is here. And after that, zebra. Okay, zebra, hyena, and Richard Parker, Pi. So these four humans were traveling in the lifeboat. Okay, you see here, zebra. Zebra can be eaten by hyena, isn't it? Hyena can eat Kaludai. Okay, that will eat zebra. Zebra can be eaten by hyena, and hyena can be eaten by Richard Parker. Richard Parker, he also eat Pi. Okay, so this is the very critical situation. Here zebra is here, hyena is here, and moreover the very dangerous animal Bengal tiger, Richard Parker is here. So this man, okay, this is a very little boy, he is, how he survived in the boat, that we are going to see. And you see, this boat is fully in orange color. This place was fully, the boat was fully in orange color. So this is the introduction and this is the description I have given you. So how this boy, okay, how this boy can, whether he saved, okay, or he lost his life in this lifeboat, that we are going to see. And one more thing, these animals were brought up by Pi's parents because they were running a circus. Okay, in Pondicherry they were running a circus, and from there, when they asked to migrate from that place, okay, all the animals were caught by the government, and also only these animals, some of the animals only they are taking to and moving to Canada. So on the way to Canada only this accident happened, and this boy was with the Richard Parker, a Bengal tiger, a hyena, and a zebra. So how he survived, okay, or how, whether he lost his life, that we are going to see in this story. And the main theme of the story is, it requires, that means we, okay, we require grit and a strong will, okay, grit and a strong will to survive odds and emerge unscathed. So whatever may be the dangerous situation or critical situation through in our life, when it comes over, okay, we have to have a grit and we must have a strong will to survive over it. So whatever may be the critical situation passed in our life, we should not get rid of it. We must have a strong will to overcome it. That is the main theme, and we are going to learn this through the story of Pi. Okay, that we are going to see in today's lesson. I have given you the introduction about the author, and I have given you the introduction about the story and also the theme of the story. Okay, in the next class I will give you a detailed explanation of the story. It will be more interesting, and if you get a chance,